Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm John.
Today, we're going to focus on some really useful phrases that you can use in your daily life. These phrases will help you navigate various situations and conversations more smoothly.
That's right, Ella. Let's dive right in.
Our first phrase is, could you please repeat that?
Yes. This is a great phrase to use when you didn't quite catch what someone said. For example, if you're in a noisy environment or on the phone and need someone to repeat themselves.
Absolutely. It shows that you're attentive and interested in understanding the other person.
Another useful phrase is, can you help me please? Right, Ella?
This phrase is perfect for when you need assistance with something. For instance, if you're in a store and can't find what you're looking for, you can ask a staff member, "Can you help me, please?"
Exactly. It's polite and straightforward.
Now let's talk about, "I'm sorry, I don't understand."
Yes. This phrase is helpful if you're having trouble following a conversation or if someone is speaking too quickly. You can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again?
It's important to feel comfortable asking for clarification when needed.
Moving on to another common phrase, nice to meet you.
This is a friendly phrase used when you're introduced to someone new. It's a great way to start a conversation. For example, "Hi, I'm Ella. Nice to meet you."
Indeed, Ella, using this phrase helps create a positive first impression.
Let's not forget "thank you" and "you're welcome."
These are fundamental expressions of gratitude and politeness. Thank you is used to show appreciation, while you're welcome is the appropriate response when someone thanks you.
Absolutely. Showing gratitude is important in any language.
Now let's discuss excuse me.
Excuse me is versatile. You can use it to get someone's attention, to move past someone politely, or to apologize if you accidentally bump into someone.
It's a handy phrase for various everyday situations.
Remember, being polite goes a long way in communication.
That's right, Ella. These phrases are simple yet effective tools for improving your daily interactions in English.
Now, let's explore more phrases that can enhance your communication skills. How about, "I need your assistance"?
Yes, Ella. I need your assistance is a formal and polite way to ask for help. For example, if you're at work and require support from a colleague, you can say, excuse me, I need your assistance with this task.
Precisely. Being clear and respectful when seeking help is essential in professional environments.
Another useful phrase is, could you explain that in more detail?
Absolutely. This phrase is valuable when you want a deeper explanation or clarification about a topic. For instance, if you're in a meeting and need more information about a project, you can say, "Could you explain that in more detail, please?"
It's important to show genuine interest and curiosity. Moving on, let's talk about I appreciate your assistance.
Yes, this is a gracious way to express gratitude for someone's help. It acknowledges their support and shows respect.
And don't forget, could you please speak more slowly?
Right, this phrase is helpful when someone is speaking too quickly for you to follow.
Effective communication involves being clear and considerate.
Absolutely. Let's also discuss, "May I interrupt you for a moment?"
This is a polite way to interject during a conversation and shows respect.
Now, let's explore phrases related to expressing preferences. How about, "I'd prefer to meet in the morning"?
Good suggestion. This phrase communicates your preference clearly when scheduling.
Another useful phrase is, "Could we reschedule our appointment?"
Sometimes plans change, and it's important to request changes politely and offer alternatives.
Moving on, let's discuss phrases for expressing apologies. How about, "I apologize for the inconvenience"?
This is a courteous way to express regret when something causes disruption.
Another important phrase is, "Please accept my sincere apologies."
This phrase shows sincerity and responsibility. Now let's explore phrases related to making requests. How about, could you send me the report?
This is a polite way to request documents or information.
Another useful phrase is, would you mind helping me with this task?
It's respectful and considerate of others' time.
Moving on, let's discuss phrases for giving compliments. How about, you did a fantastic job?
This phrase acknowledges effort and success.
Another uplifting phrase is I admire your creativity.
Recognizing creativity helps build positive relationships.
Now let's explore phrases related to offering help. How about, can I assist you with anything?
This is a proactive and kind way to offer support.
Another thoughtful phrase is let me know if you need any help.
It encourages cooperation and openness.
Well, that wraps up our discussion of useful phrases for everyday communication.
We hope you found these phrases helpful and will start incorporating them into your conversations.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English skills.
And remember, the more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll become.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.